Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make Ghibli photos in Instagram. So here on Instagram, if you browse on effects and search for Ghibli, you will not see any effects. However, you can use ChatGPT or other third-party applications that has that offers Ghibli style photos. So in this example, I'm going to be choosing the ChatGPT. So in this one, you just have to upload a photo. Depends on you on which photo that you would like to upload. And then you just have to type in the prompt, which says, turn this into Ghibli style. So you'll just have to wait for the ChatGPT to generate the image into Ghibli style, and then it'll generate one. So you just have to save the photo. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.